Istarani ma'am received Research Award by the University Grant Commission, New Delhi for 3 consecutive years 2015, 16, and 17. She is the only person from engineering to receive Research Award by UGC from the state of Telangana. She received a grant of rupees 46.6 lakhs from the same. Semiconductor Laboratory, Chandigarh, Department of Space has given chip designing tools worth 1 crore to CVR College of Engineering to execute her UGC project. She executed a consultancy project also from ECIL worth 6.6 lakhs in 2016. She has published many technical papers in international journals and conferences, including recent publications in Scope and Web of Science journals, and a textbook on cell sleep circuits for low power VLSI applications, published by Omniscripta, a German publishing company, in 2017. She received rupees 1 lakh seminar grant from AICTE in 2018 and also conference grant in May 2021. She has guided many graduates and postgraduates in their projects. Currently, she is guiding 2 PhD scholars. Thank you.
Now I request our HOD sir to
Uh, Good morning to one and all. Dear students, we are today very fortunate that among us is a speaker who is very renowned, very specialized in the field of electronics and communication engineering. He is well known, as it has been introduced by one of our students to us, and very reputed faculty. She is going to talk on a very important topic, that is IPR, patent rights innovation in engineering. Okay. So we all are doing lot of work, but we do not understand how to file a patent. What is that intellectual property rights? Okay. You may be doing something which is, you may be thinking very small, but if it is a new thing, if it is an innovative thing, you can register for patent for that thing, and that will be your product, your innovation. Okay. So in that, on this topic, Madam Professor Istarani will give a detailed discussion, detailed knowledge to you. Please listen and take advantage of this, utilize in your career, if not in this engineering institute, even after passing out from here. I once again thank you, Madam, for coming here, sparing her valuable time, and enlightening us on a very recent, very important topic, because most of us, we do not know what is that IPR, how to file a patent. Okay. So this is very important. Madam, thank you very much for sparing your time, and I welcome you on behalf of the EC department for delivering lecture on this very important topic on IPR and patent filing. Thank you very much, Madam. Just you can start.
It's my pleasure, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you, sir. Ma'am, shall I start presenting?
yes, ma'am. Start.
Ma'am, is screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. It is visible, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, first once share the banner, ma'am. Once.
Shall I share the banner?
Yes, ma'am. First.
I need to download it. 1 minute. I will do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Stop. Copy. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. It is visible, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Hey, students, good morning. I would like to thank the management of Guru Nanak Institute of Technology and also the principal, head of the department, SP Yadav sir, and beloved ma'am, Premlata ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Dear students, I think you have seen me and we had some interaction earlier. I'm happy to meet you again on this special topic, IPR. IPR full form is intellectual property rights, where it includes patent also. I'll discuss in detail about it. And we also see some innovative topics in engineering. Okay. So let me continue with the presentation. So this is a presentation on intellectual property rights and innovation in engineering. So ma'am has given me 3 topics: how to file patents, what are benefits of patents, and what are different innovative topics in engineering. So how to file patents? First of all, what is a patent and what is the difference between IPR and a patent? Does it require research and innovation to file a patent? So these are the common questions that anybody come up with when we talk about IPR or patents, right? So what is a patent? First of all, patent is nothing but an intellectual property right that you possess because of your innovative thinking, right? So this is what is a patent. That property right is given by the government of India. That is the importance and greatness of this patent. Okay, what is the difference between IPR and patent is IPR consists of 5 different things. The first one is patent. We have copyright also in that, trademarks, trade designs, and also geographical indications. All these come under IPR. What does it require? Research. Does it require research and innovation? Yes, it requires research and some innovative device or model or product, whatever it be, is required, but it is true only for 70% of time. Remaining 30% of time, it might be a sudden idea that you are making it into a product. But for research, you will have to conduct lot of literature survey. You have to identify the topic, what is the existing work, what new work you will have to go ahead with. All these matters. But whereas in case of the 30% that I'm mentioning, it may be some flash thought that you got to develop one cleaning robot, right? Or you might be having different thoughts for a solar panel cleaner or whatever it be. Anything it could be. It could be a device, it could be a product, it could be a method or a process. It could be anything like that. Okay, so always we require research is 70%. Okay, but some other times it can be a sudden thought and you are making it into a piece of product. Okay, so that is also okay. Now, what subject matter can be patentable? Okay, everything, whatever idea I get, can it be patented, or can I get a intellectual property right on whatever I do? Now we have to look at this. Now, invention must relate to a process or product or both. Just now I said, if you have invented, see, Apple iPhone or Apple tab, whatever it is, now the product has to be patented. Also sometimes the product piece, whatever the case appears to be, but the process that you are using inside could be invention. Okay, it must be a new method. In that case also it is patentable. It should be a new one, very new one. Very new one means it is not existing earlier. That is how you are going for patent. That is why you are going for patent. It involves an inventive step also. There is a little difference between invention and innovation. Okay, so I'll discuss about it in the next slide. Okay, if your thought is very new, if you are introducing that item or product or device for the first time, such a thing is not at all existing earlier, then it is called invention. Okay, invention. What is innovation? Innovation is, let us suppose you have one low power device already existing, but you have invented one other method by which you can reduce the power. Okay, this is alternative method to the existing method. In that case it is called innovation. Means an alternative to the existing work or existing technology, existing process, existing method or methodology. In that case you call it as innovation. Okay, be capable of industrial application. So here whatever device or product or instrument that you are going to develop should have an industrial application. Means it is not going to be used in industry. It means industrial application means it can be used in industry also, but it is capable of being come up as a product in bulk production. Means see, washing machine IC is a new IC. We are producing washing machine in thousands. It is an industry application, right? Oven also like that. Similarly, vacuum cleaner, it's an idea. It's an idea, simply a small idea which has evolved into vacuum cleaner, right? So now that is an industry application because you are developing that product in industry in multiple numbers. Okay, so that is one advantage. Not fall under section 3 or 4. Okay, section 3 and 4 are there in Patent Act. Means you have some simple things and small things where you cannot redefine Newton's gravitation law, right? So you cannot redefine Einstein's theory. Such standard rules or standard existing theories you cannot redefine. So those things are mentioned under section 3 and 4. So you cannot touch that. Other things you can say as a new thing. Okay, now what does it mean by new? When you are calling it as a novel or new, invention must not be published in India or elsewhere. Generally what happens with students is, so far I have guided more than 32 MTech projects and almost 76 BTech projects. What generally I have 60 faculty with me working in ECU department. Generally out of enthusiasm, when students project has been completed, they try to publish it as a paper. Actually that is not a good idea. Good idea in one aspect when it is already existing, but if that work is really new and innovative work, you should never go for publication. If it is published, everybody knows about it, what is novel in that, what is new in that now. So you should not publish that paper. Okay, so that work has to be patented. You should develop a patent out of that product or out of that design. You need not produce 10 pieces or 100 pieces. One prototype is sufficient to prove your idea, whatever you are talking. Okay, so whatever your idea is about. So if that is implemented, you will have to fill up the patent form. You will have to develop the patent description, not the paper. Okay, that this is one simple mistake that every teacher tend to do and every student tend to do, that they will get one publication. Okay, generally don't prefer publication when it is a technological or any, because of embedded systems we are and microcontroller usage, students are doing very good projects these days. Don't try to publish that as a paper, try to publish it as a patent. Okay, try to get a patent on that. Okay, your resume will be of more value. You will be soon absorbed into any of the companies if you are not placed it. Okay, in prior public knowledge or prior public use within India, if it is already known in India and already known to the public, what is point in giving intellectual property a right to you? Because this is already known to everyone. There is no point in giving to you now, right? So everybody will come up now and say that it is their own idea now. You have bad chances now, right? claimed before in specification in India. If it is already specified in specifications or already claims before in any of the other patents earlier, you cannot find it. It must be very new. It should not be claimed earlier. Okay. So the inventive step, I said three things here. If you want to go for a patent, you should have three things. First one is new, second one is inventive step, the third one is industry application. I talked about new, now I'm talking about inventive step. What is invention here? A feature of invention is that it involves technical advances as compared to the existing knowledge. Already some knowledge is existing, you have developed some advancement to that. Okay, so some students are doing projects on IoT and IoT forming. Okay, earlier whatever moist reading and such things with sensors and all, students used to gather informations. Now they are in remote place, they are placing that device, whatever kit they are developing, they are placing in the remote place, and it is only sending the information to their mobile at far away place. Not immediately when you are in the lab, you are pouring some water and you have one small pot over there and testing there, and not like that. From remote in another village, maybe 25 kilometers away, from there also, because of IoT forming, for each plant of each plant that they have planted in the farm, they are getting information, right? So this is possible. So what additional feature you are adding now to the already existing one? That is an additional feature. That is the advancement or addition to the existing knowledge. In that case, you can call it as an invention. Has economic significance. Okay, it has got economic significance. Because of that, your particular product or development, whatever device you have developed, will be popular. Okay, TKR student has developed one drone which will spray the pesticide over entire field. Okay, when we have conducted one science exhibition like thing in our college, he brought that drone and he has displayed it in the ground. It is selecting in the form of squares that entire field, whatever area we are giving as input, that entire area it is marking into sub squares, and it is working square on that area. It is going flying and spreading pesticide in that area, again next block, like that. It is covering entire area. So like that it has been programmed, right? So it is an addition to the existing knowledge. Now it has got economic significance, because when people can't go, in some places still water is there and person cannot go and give pesticide, right? So in such cases, people are using drones. Even in Adilabad district, they are using drones. This student is giving drones to Nizamabad and Adilabad districts. Okay, so it has got economic significance now. He is earning money out of it. By the time it is 2 years ago, by the time he started business, and it was within a minimum of 3 months, he got 7 orders, and he mentioned about his profits also, how much he is spending for that drone and how much profit he is getting, all that, right? So it is very, very good, and people who are already using will naturally promote to the other farmers, right? So makes the invention not obvious to a person skilled in the art. Okay, so it should not be obvious. See, we generally use the word obvious. Obvious means it is already there. Okay, obvious means yes, it is there. It should be non-obvious. The fourth feature of this invention or patent should be non-obvious. Non-obvious means it is not existing. It is not existing earlier. Industrial application means invention is capable of being made or used in any kind of industry. So it can be used or it can be made. Just now I said it. Okay, so in the industry. Now we have so many things in the world. Sometimes we feel like conducting research in farming. Sometimes we feel like conducting research in our own field of electronics and communication. Sometimes in communication engineering. Sometimes on Wi-Fi. Sometimes on social problems. Right? So different thoughts will come in our mind. Where shall we start? Where do we start actually? Okay. So, and again, as a student, as a BTech student, what do I mean by research? You may be thinking of what is research, right? So if I conduct some research only, will I be able to file a patent? That could be one doubt, right? So what is research? It is naturally the literal meaning in that only, searching it again and again, searching for new idea from the existing knowledge. Okay, so if you are going on reading books, another book, another paper, you will get some other ideas, right? So any attempt to find a new thing or improving the existing one is nothing but research. Okay, who can do it? Anybody can do it. It need not be it need not be only faculty will do it, only researchers will do it, only scientists will do it. Not like that. Anybody, you students can also do that. Okay, so where do I get the information to conduct this research? Means you have lots of research papers on Google Scholar. Okay, sites, see, you have on Scopus publications and SCI journals. Many things are there on internet. Okay, and college must be having some uh, subscription to IEEE publications and all. In that case, you will be able to get information. Okay, so first of all, you will have to select which field you want to work on out of many existing over there, right? So you can see on the screen many books are there, but on which field you want to work on, first you have a choice and then concentrate on that. Okay, next, what are the benefits by having this? Means by conducting research, what do I gain? Research work gets exposed to the world. Just now I mentioned about the student from DKR. He is getting profits as a student, third year student. He is not even final year student. Of course, by now he would have finished. It is 2 years ago, but still he is earning already, right? Just now I talked about economic significance. So your career will be developed. You can become an entrepreneur. So you can start your own business. Okay, these are all the benefits out of it. Let us come to the actual point of intellectual property rights. What is property actually? Let us define property first of all. What is property? If you own a car, if you own a house, if you own a farmland, if you have a field, then you call it as a property. It is always a tangible property which you can see. Car you can see, building you can see, you can see your farmland, all that you can see. So that is called a tangible. Okay, what is intangible? Intangible is some intellectual that is existing in your brain, in your mind. But your brain is, see, look at the Einstein's brain and others brain. Einstein's brain is valuable because he has got so many valuable thoughts and so much of science and technology in his brain. He get good ideas, right? Similarly, if you are developing such things, government would like to give importance to that brain. Okay, that is what is intangible and intellectual property. On that, because it is coming, that idea is coming from your mind, so which may not be seen. Actually, that idea cannot be seen, but you can implement it as a product or a device, right? So this intellectual property can be industrial property related or copyright related, or it can be trademark or trade design. Okay, or it can be patent, something, geographical indication, anything it could be. Okay, so many things are coming under IPR. Okay, intellectual property rights again. So in the IPR, you can see that we have patents, we have trademarks, we have industrial designs, you have copyrights, and also geographical indications. Okay, now trademarks, industrial designs, patents, copyrights, geographical indications, all these put together, all the 5 put together, you call it as IPR. Okay, exclusive rights given to a person over the creation of their minds for certain period of time, right? So because you have invented this, you have 20 years of authority over this product. Okay, what happened to COVID-19 vaccine? First they have given the patent right. Okay, because of that they want to take more actually royalty would be there for any patent. In this particular case, they wanted to gain the market now, and they wanted more royalty. So what has happened? They have removed patents, right? So this is what happens when people go greedy. But actually, for any patent, it will be 20 years of validity. Whoever would like to develop your idea, they will have to pay you, they will have to buy that patent from you, means it is called as royalty. Then they will use that, right? So this is another way of another advantage with the IPR. You have the legal right on that patent or whatever trademark. You have the legal right on the industrial design or on that copyright. Whoever is using it, they have to pay you royalty, right? So it is monopoly. Did you observe any copyright on textbook? Copyright at grade symbol or R symbol, rights symbol would be there. You might have observed those things, right? So some copyrights, every textbook will have copyright. Some musical compositions would have copyrights, some dramas, some novels, some extreme designs, whichever is their composition, it can have copyright, right? So geographical indications means depending upon that geographical identity, maybe for example Ooty or Kashmir or some other place, example Tirupati Laddu. So specific geographical indication from that place, Sholapur Cheppal, so Kanchipuram silk. So like that you have different locations, geographical locations for that specific product to come up, right? So if you are in that particular place and producing these things, you will have that geographical identification. Okay, it is for lifetime, but remaining things are for a period of time. Okay, so intangible potential asset, monopoly means you have entire authority over it. Negative rights are cancelled, it prevents others using it. Okay, so you have complete authority over your production, over your invention, your device or design or product. The intellectual property rights were essentially recognized and accepted all over the world due to some very important reasons. Why people have to accept this IPR is because of all these things. One is to provide an incentive to individual for new creation. See, somebody has invented, I have invented one low power device, right? For wherever portable applications are there, to reduce the battery discharge, I have invented one self-sleep circuit, okay, for which I have filed patent. Okay, same thing has been published in the official journal of patent office. Okay, so now what happens is whenever you develop a new design, okay, for any individual, now that is a recognition for me that I have designed this circuit or I have designed this device. Okay, so similarly for any person who is giving contribution to that particular area in medical field, we see many of the new inventions, many of the new even electronic devices in medical field, biosensors and all, right? So that person should be given credit for what he has designed. Okay, to accord due recognition to the creators and inventors. So whoever is creating or inventing that particular device or product, we will have to give them the recognition. So that due recognition, due credit we give them. And to ensure material reward for intellectual property, whatever property their brain has got, for that we want to ensure the reward to them. So that is another way. And to make available genuine and original products, so that we will be producing only original and genuine products. So that is another way of encouraging people. See the youngest patent holder on the wheelchair. Okay, so he has designed, he is from Jaipur. Okay, drawing inspiration from a scientist, a wheelchair bound 9-year-old boy, look at him, here has invented a game of 6-player circular chess. It is chess game, circular chess, and also 6-player game. Okay, so the boy Hridayeshwar Singh Bhati has got the game's design patented in his name. See the credibility. So 9-year-old boy, he has designed this game. See, just for example, I have shown you, so that many patents are there, crores of patents are there, but I just wanted to show you the boy from India and also the youngest boy. Okay, so we have patents from India, we have every country will have patents. Okay, so how does the patent certificate look like? This is a patent certificate from United Kingdom. Okay, so the patent certificate generally look like this. Next, various kinds of IPRs. What are various kinds of IPRs? Just now I mentioned that it is not only patents, Many things are there under IPR. What are the other things? It can be industrial design, it can be trademark, it can be geographical indication, it can be copyright. So all these we'll see here. What are patents? Inventions, products or processes are procedures or methods or methodologies or materials or compositions. All these will come under inventions. Okay, it can be a technical solution to a technical problem also. That way, that also we call it as a patent. Okay, so all these things would come under patents. Next, what are industrial designs? I'll show you some examples also. Just try to get some idea, then I'll show you some examples also. Industrial designs, what do you mean by industrial design? External features would be there that are appealing to the eye. See, in mechanical engineering in your college also you might have seen the CNC machine, how nicely the machine has been developed, the work done by that CNC machine. Okay, so it has got industrial application. So another faculty in from our college, from mechanical department, they have developed one machine to cut the wood. Okay, no, to cut the wood into small pieces, not big trees. Wood means not big wood, small trees only. Where in Ongole and other places, some other not required, those are not fields. Some other unwanted plants are grown. Small tree like structure. Okay, those would be cut and those would be given to cut to small pieces and be converted to paper then and there. Okay, so that machine he has developed. Such things always get the industrial design, right? So how you have developed that design, you will have to present the diagrams over there. Okay, that new shape, new pattern, new configuration. Even if you design one teapot or table with a new design, that is also in industrial design only. Okay, so whatever design you are, see some designs in jewelry, you can see that some Chandana Brothers or some other jewelry, Muhammad Khan jewelry, something they will advertise. Okay, they will advertise some designs of jewelry. So that is also industrial design. Nobody should copy that design and imitate. Nobody should bring the same design again. Okay, that new shape, new pattern, new configuration, all these are important. Trademarks, a visual symbol such as word, name. All of you know about McDonald's. I'm loving it, right? So like that, what is the logo? What is the name? What is the word given? Label over it. Okay. So what is the monogram, slogan over there? The word, the logo, and also the slogan attached to that. All these are important. Applied on article of manufacturer or service. Okay. Indicates the origin of goods and services. So these trademarks will also indicate where they are from or how they are from, whether it is a food or whether it is a whatever kind it is of. Okay, that will be clearly mentioned over there. And copyright. So what about copyright? Any artistic thing, for any art, maybe drawing. See, Ravi Verma art is art has got copyright because nobody can draw like that. Some may try to imitate, but that imitations they will easily recognize. But nobody should use Ravi Verma's art without his permission. You will have to pay him royalty, then you can use it. Okay, that is the artistic. And literary means some books, some novels, some specific musical compositions and dramas, any creation of that kind which comes under art. Okay, and proprietary right also. Okay, if somebody is starting some specific business and they have a specific business model, that also can be copyrighted. Nobody should copyright their business model. They also can apply for copyright. Okay, comes into existence as soon as the work is created. Now, what are geographical indications? Darjeeling tea, you can have Sholapur Chappal, as I said, Kanchipuram, like that. This tea is identified by the place where it is from. This chappal is identified by the place where it is from. This particular sari is identified by the place where it is from. So it is named with the place. What is the place? Kanchipuram is the place. What is the place? Sholapur is the place. Darjeeling is the place. So that tea is from that Darjeeling. So that is a very good tea. So this silk is from Kanchipuram. So it is very good. Like that, you have some identification based on the location, geographical location. So that is how they got that name. Okay, possessing special quality or reputation based upon unique characteristics of the geographical location. Okay, generally how the organization goes is the Ministry of Commerce and Industry will take care of all these things. Okay, Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion is under their control. So Controller General of Patents is head for all these things. Controller General of Patents also take care of designs, trademarks, copyrights, everything. Okay, so here you can see that we have patent and design office in Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, right? 4 patent offices we have. They are all the states in north will go to one place, all the states in south will go to Chennai. Okay, all the states in east, okay, Calcutta, Mumbai, Delhi, like that. Okay, east, west, north, south, they will share the states in that particular location. And for our South India, the patent office is Chennai. Okay, for 2 patents when we have filed, we have gone to Chennai only. So if you have the digital signature, you need not go, you can post them also, they will file the patent application. Trademarks and registry, so you have offices like this only here also. Okay, Ahmedabad also has got a trademark registry, because in Ahmedabad, all of you know, this is our Prime Minister's country, and state, and many industries are being developed there. Many industries were started by him there, and all of them wanted to have a trademark registry over there also. Okay, geographical indications registry. Okay, specifically only in Chennai you have that. Patent information system you have. Okay, and you can use these patent offices for any of these registrations. Okay, it can be trademark registration, it can be geographical indication registration, patent or copyright, anything, right? Validity of IPR, you should have an idea how long your patent on your patent also you have authority for limited period of time, because value whatever you are assigning to that particular device or product will last for 20 years, will have market for 20 years minimum. That is the idea. Okay, so patent will be given a protection for a period of maximum 20 years, and first 2 years that patent would be granted normally as it is, but from 3rd year onwards you will have to renew that patent. Okay, by paying some minimum fees. So act and rule is also given here. As per rule, patent act and rule, you will be doing all that. There the amount is specified for the patent, for trademark, for copyright and designs like this. Trademark is also given for lifelong, design is for 15 years only, copyrights is for 60 years, you need not renew it. Okay, but it will go until the lifetime of the person. Okay, geographical indication is also lifelong, but for every 10 years you will have to renew it. Okay, so this is about the, this is from a particular place. So all people who want to sell tea from Darjeeling, they will form as an association and they will sell tea with the name Darjeeling tea. Okay, they don't have individual names again, they will have, everybody use the common name Darjeeling tea. So that symbol you can identify that this particular tea is from Darjeeling. Okay, so that logo or that indication will tell you about that place. Okay, this is about a relation between IPRs. Okay, look at this Coca-Cola bottle. So many things are there in this Coca-Cola bottle, what we have been talking about. Okay, the logo Coca-Cola is an example for trademark. See how the Coca-Cola has been written. It is neither Times New Roman nor Calibre nor any other Bookman old style, in not any of the styles. It is handwritten text but with a different style, right? So this is called a trademark. Coca-Cola want to use the trademark like this only forever. Okay, so this is, so on the Coca-Cola bottle, single bottle, how many things are there? Let us see. One is Coca-Cola title, that is trademark. Shape of the bottle, see, this shape of the bottle is coming out because of the machine that they are using to manufacture this bottle, right? So for that machine, whatever they are using, it has got the patent to bring out this model of this bottle. Okay, so that is the patent on the machine or equipment. Next one is shape of the bottle has got industrial design. Look at the bottle, the outer line. You can see that how many cuts are there like this. This is outer, again it has got inside, again it has come out with a curve, again inner cut, right? So again outer cut. So it has taken a shape like this with many curves on that, and for grip also has given vertical lines over there, and everything designed like that. And because of the specific equipment that they are using here, this bottle is coming out in this shape. So the bottling equipment has got the patent. Okay, so I talked about the trademark, I talked about industrial design, I talked about the patent also. Now copyright. In respect of the text, database or artistic work appearing on its website, whatever text they are writing on the website of Coca-Cola, they have copyright on the text. Nobody should copy the text that they have written on Coca-Cola website. How the drink is made, they don't mention there. Okay, only two directors from board of directors and the owner knows the composition of Coca-Cola. Nobody else knows it, right? Whether Coca-Cola company is here or there, wherever in the world, but the composition is known to only two people other than the owner. Okay, so it is very, very important. A single product can be protected by more than one IPR. Now you understand that it is not single IPR or single patent on Coca-Cola. How many points are there in IPR now? In one IPR, how many things are included for Coca-Cola? Trademark is there, industrial design is there, patent is there, copyright is also there. Introduction to IPR, if you want to see for single Coca-Cola, I just said the patent, the trade secret, trademark, industrial design. Okay, like this for fan also, which also got chandelier to attach to that fan. Okay, this is one idea. This is industrial design. Okay, see, this chandelier will be stable, but only fan will be rotating, though it appears like this is attached to the same shaft. Okay, geographical indications. For example, this laddu is from Tirupati, so it has got specific importance. It is Tirupati laddu. Okay, what do you call it as? Geographical indicator or indication, whatever you call. Okay, so now this you will have Bandar laddu also, you will have laddu from Hyderabad also, laddu from Pullaredi house also, but how is it specific? It is Tirupati laddu. It is specified by its location, right? So here I am showing you an example of industrial design, a chandelier attached to a fan. I am showing you in geographical indication with Tirupati laddu. I am showing you 4 things attached to Coca-Cola. This is a patent. Okay, design of cell phone is a patent. Okay, our iPhone is a patent. Now Apple, this trademark, look at this. Nobody should copy and repeat this, right? So if anybody is copying that, they will file a case. You will have to pay so much of fine to them. I'll discuss some case studies also like that. Geographical indications, look at the Sholapur Chapel here. Okay, now patent is an exclusive monopoly right granted by Government of India for an invention to the inventor or his assignee, okay, as a territorial right, because Indian patent will not work in USA. Why it is called territorial right? Because USA patent will not work in UK. There you will have to file a patent separately. Okay, in lieu of disclosure of the invention to the government, the term of patent is 20 years from the date of filing. Okay, so industrial designs, ornamental or artistic aspect of useful article of industry. Okay, so I'll show you some examples of this so that you can understand it better. See, look at the design of this ornament. Many designs are there. Okay, look at the design of this chair. Okay, look at the design of the car, heels. Okay, and this bottle, different suits, different shoe types. Okay, so for all these you have industrial design rights over these products. Some other examples, as I just said about Coca-Cola bottle manufacturing machine. Similarly, you have a mechanical design of a mechanical cow for composting. Okay, so this is another cow composting. Okay, so this is one machine, and this is all of you know about a tractor, but some additional equipment is attached to this. design of Aqua Ferti seed driller. So seed driller, it automatically inserts the seed into the ground. Okay, some important designs developed by IVRI. Okay, so these are the specific designs for that specific application. Okay, now if you want patent on any topic, you should not disclose this circuitry like this. Example I wanted to show you. Okay, if this info is public, then no longer it is a trade secret. You no longer call it as a trade secret, because already you are displaying all the circuitry, how it is connected, how the connections are being made. If it is top view, how it looks like. If it is side view, how it looks like. Everything you are presenting means there is no point in claiming patent for this again, or trade secret for this again, right? So trademarks are generally brand or logo. Okay, virtual symbol or some monogram, some packaging will be different, something you will have on everything. You can see different trademarks. Most of the things all of you know about all these things. Okay, BMW, Coca-Cola, FedEx, IBM, Google, HP, all these, McDonald's. Okay, some well-known trademarks from agriculture and dairy industry. Okay, Amul, you know. And some trade secrets, I wanted to specifically tell you here that for an integrated circuit, if your layout is specifically developed in different manner, not like the existing one, in such cases you can have the trade secret on this particular IC design also. Only on layouts you will get the trade secret or patent right, IPR right on this. Okay. Copyright, you know, I already discussed. Okay, you will have copyright on novels, poems, plays, reference books. Okay, newspapers, articles, computer programs, databases, films, musical compositions, dance, theoretical productions. Okay, sorry, theater productions, artistic works such as painting, drawing, photographs, sculptures, any architectures. Okay, advertisements, map, technical drawing. For all these you have copyrights. Okay, so how long it works? Just I already told you, it works up to 50 years. Okay, every 10 years you will have to renew. Okay, and in other countries it will be like this. In India it is up to 60 years. In USA it is up to 50 years. In other countries 70 years. Examples of copyright like this: pamphlets, books, poems, articles, programs, letters, and ideas, procedures. See, copyright law will not protect these things. Idea, you have idea, how are you showing that? How you say, if you have idea in your mind, if you are not putting it into work, if you have not realized any device out of it, they cannot give anything, right? So procedure also, if you will have to prove it, and you will have to show in the form of a device or product or process, anything like that. Methods, anything like this. Okay, if you simply say you cannot have any copyright on this. If you are developing that product, can get the patent. Try to understand me. Copyright is not there, but you will get patent when if you are implementing these things. If you are implementing these things as a product, but if you write one procedure and give me on a paper, I cannot copyright it, right? So those are the things which cannot be copyrighted. Typical copyright matters. So anyway, registrations, artwork, photography, software, some important photographs also can be copyrighted. Okay, assignments, architectural works, of course not assignments written by you, maps and music. Okay, geographical indications, I already talked about geographical indications. Okay, Darjeeling tea, look at the last line: Darjeeling tea, Kanchipuram silk, Sholapur chappal, Tirupati laddu, Nagpur orange. Like this you have many examples. Okay, Basmati rice, you know, right? Basmati rice, Darjeeling tea, Kanchipuram silk, Alfonso mango also, right? And this is Nagpur orange, some chappal, Darjeeling tea, and Agra peta. This is the sweet. Okay, some geographical, from that location you have that. Okay, look at these things. Just now I said about Darjeeling tea also, another tea, and handicrafts also, some agricultural foods also, Mysore silk, banana from particular place, and handcrafts like this also, they have geographical indications. Some other geographical indications, some specific places like this. We talked about Tirupati laddu and some other designs like this. Okay, Firozabad bangles. Okay, and these crockery items, See, look at another example where you have many IPRs on a single pen. Pen is very small thing, right? But look at the thing. A patent is there for the fountain pen that could store ink. Okay, because it could store ink, it has got patent. Next, utility model. The grip and the pipette for injection of ink, where you are using here, this has got a utility model. Okay. Next one is industrial design. Where is this industrial design? Look at the pin arrow here. Okay, this where you insert to the pocket. Okay, that particular specific pin, smart design with the grip in the shape of an arrow. Okay, that also has got industrial design. Trademark. Look at the name given to this pen. This is their own trademark. This MARK mark, that lettering, how they have written is very important. Okay, so if you are simply writing with small m and capital R, K with curve and some all these things, it will not work. Only this should be used as this only. Okay, and nobody should copy others. Here also you have many things. Look at the bottle. See, here also you have copyright, trademark, trade design, and you have this bottle opening also different way. So you have the inventor licensed the system to Coca-Cola at 1/10 of a penny per can. Per can, look at the margin, look at the great benefits that you draw out of the patents. This appears to be very small, but per day, what is the royalty? 148,000 UK pounds per day, a day on royalty. Okay, just for the design of this top of this Coca-Cola can, he is drawing so much of royalty because the inventor licensed on his name. He has given it to Coca-Cola, so he is getting so much of amount per can. Sorry, per day. Per can he has given it as 1/10 of pennies. Look at this, how many cans are being sold to gain this much of margin, right? So bringing all together, anyway, I have discussed about Coca-Cola, and Lego also is there with its trademark. Pens I have talked about, and you have Nescafe coffee blend, right? Here also you have registered trademark, TM unregistered. This R in circle, it represents registered. Okay, registered design, copyright, labels, and artwork. Whatever artwork is there. Patents are not one or two on this. Several dozens of patents are there. Okay, bringing it all together. Another example, personal computer. Now, how are these patents useful to me? I have an idea now. Maybe with respect to trade design or industrial design or copyright or patent, anything. Out of all these, I have one idea with me how to commercialize my model. How do I get money out of my model, whatever idea I have with me now? How do you do that? Strategic investment is the foundation of a successful commercialization model. You have a model, you have developed it, you have shown it as a product, but how do you commercialize it? What is the process? What you will have to do is maybe from academic institutions or universities or some grants that you receive from CSIR or UGC or AICTE, DST, whatever it be, some private R&D also, or any basic research centers and inventions from wherever you are conducting research. So you have brought some product out of it, or a device out of it, or a technique out of it. Now you are proving it, maybe by publications or PhD, or some taking some time, tenure, and patents are coming out of it. But another important aspect is you are bringing out all these things. But another important thing is, if you have a proof of concept, then you commercialize it. Okay. Not on the paper, not as a simulation model, not like that. But if you have a proof of concept, now you can bring it into economic model. Okay. Next generation products always, for the next generation product means whatever already existing product is there, but you have better idea now on which you want to gain the market now. So you will have to go to product development research. Prototype is manufactured. Make a technology investment guide. Technology transfer, you have to transfer this technology, your idea, to another company, because we already told it should have industrial competence, right? So you will have to give it to industry so that they will manufacture there. If you can manufacture, or if you want to manufacture, you can become an entrepreneur. Okay. So if time permits, I'll talk about entrepreneur some other time later. But you yourself can become entrepreneur out of the designs that you have developed, right? So here you can give it to some other company where they will develop and bring it to the market, but you will be getting your royalty. That is the advantage. Now, till now we talked about patent with respect to Indian context, but you can have a patent of international value also. So it is called international patent. International patents are generally taken care by WIPO, okay, World Intellectual Property Organization. World Intellectual Property Organization. So to promote the protection of IP rights, WIPO has come up, but it has not evolved in a single day or a single year. It took lot of time. Okay, so it's members are 183 members are there. Okay, staff 915 from 94 countries. Okay, treaties are there. Okay, 24, and guiding principles are there. And initially it has started with the Paris Convention, and it has gone year after year after year. It has taken a shape like this in 1970. Okay, next PCT has come up. Okay, Patent Cooperation Treaty. And next we are still using this WIPO, okay, World Intellectual Property Organization. So some best practices, what are the objectives? They want to protect your idea. Okay, all these things are there. Patent Cooperation Treaty, this is what I was talking about. Now you have a patent with you. What is the advantage of sharing your patent? Sharing your patent with the companies is called a technology transfer. Okay, there you get your royalty, there you get your money. Okay, so you will be doing your own job, or you can stop working. You will be getting royalty from that company every time they manufacture that product. Not only this particular company, you can give it to any number of companies you want, right? So sharing of IP assets. Now one way is franchising. Okay, idea will be with you, but you will give to one company in Bangalore, one to other company in Mumbai, to another company in Calcutta. Like that you can distribute it. So that is franchising. The other way of giving it is licensing. Okay, so yearly $150 billion licensing is happening. Look at the importance. Look at the importance of innovations that are being happening. Okay, so the royalty is very, very important here, and you will have to go through some procedures over there. If time is there, I'll take some other time, and I'll give you all those details. Okay, utility of patents versus patent designs. If you go for it, okay, all these examples I can quote. See, always this patent cannot be diluted. So if this is the design, same thing, because Coca-Cola has got the great importance, I'll try to copy that and do some magic out of it, and let me make it appear like Coca-Cola and let people buy this also, means you are destroying the reputation of Coca-Cola, right? So you are diluting it. So they will charge a case. Generally they will charge a case, and it already happened with Bisleri, Maaza, all these things. Okay, sometimes you will have to think differently, because when everybody is thinking in one way, generally these days we are using a word called out of box thinking, right? So you will have to think differently. How to file a patent? If you observe, the procedure is like this. You will have application, you have some forms. Form 2, form 5, form 18 are important. Okay, so these are the basic things where you will mention the title of your patent, and the abstract summary of your patent, and diagrams that are used in your patent, and also the detailed presentation, detailed description of your patent. Okay, that is there in the application. And next you will have to request for examination. After applying there, if you want immediate publication of the patent, you will have to pay more. Otherwise, if you wait for 18 months, they will automatically publish it in the official journal of the patent office. Then within 48 months, you will have to apply for the examination. Okay, you will have to apply for the examination. Then if that examination, if it is cleared at one instant, no problem. If patent will be granted immediately. Otherwise, if there is any issue with the first examination report, they will give you one report that is called FER, that is called first examination report. Okay, so that examination issue is there, they will give one FER. Okay, third party representation. Then you have a grant of patent. If you answer that, you will have grant of patent. Otherwise, if there is anything else to be done to the patent, I mean they are not satisfied, you will have to give through video conference or Skype. You will have to clarify the things. Then the decision will be taken by the controller. You will be putting an appeal. Then the board will decide either revocation or amendment change or grant of the patent. Okay, this is how it goes. Okay, general procedure I have shown you, and the procedure is filing a patent application along with the required documents what I have shown you there, publication next after 18 months, next examination. Pre-grant opposition means somebody who knows about your invention, if they are not thinking that this is not of that value, not that good, they may file opposition also. Okay, so some people, when it is published in official journal of patent office, some people will read it and they may file objection on that. Okay, that also if you answer, that will be granted. Okay, sometimes after patent is awarded also some people will file. Okay, that is called post grant opposition. Then also you will have to answer, then the patent is granted, grant of patent will happen. Okay, so the documents are form 1, form 2, form 3, form 5, and also 18 for examination. Okay, I mentioned about 18 also, it is for examination. So application form is only your details, your name, your address, your details would be there. Here in form 2 it is about specification. Okay, detailed drawings would be there. Okay, as I said, it is complete provisional patent or complete patent. You will have to tell. Provisional means you got the idea, you have done something, and before somebody else do it, you want to do it. That is called a provisional patent. So you file it immediately. Whatever rough draft, some in writing form also they will take. Okay, but that date will give you the seniority. Okay, if you have filed it today is let us suppose 27th June. Today you have filed. Similar idea somebody filed tomorrow, but yours is valid. Okay, so that is the importance of seniority. That's why you can go for provisional patent immediately, and then you can give the complete details of drawings, whatever you want to give, abstract, diagrams, detailed description, all that you can give. Okay, so form 5 consists of declaration where you have applied for provisional or complete, whatever it is, your authority. Okay, for them to take into confidence and also examine the thing. Okay, document to claim the priority. Okay, also the power of authority. Patent specification is of 2 types. Just now I said provisional and complete. Okay, so provisional is for just for intimation. Okay, complete is in detail, you cannot change anything over there. After giving complete specification, you cannot change it. Okay, so there you will have to give the detailed description, technological part, whatever you want to explain. And very important thing in the complete document is claims. Where do you want to use this particular idea? Where do you want to use it? That is very, very important. And also who can apply, either first inventor or second inventor or company where you are working for, or your institution or university, to whomever you want to give the authority, they will file the patent. Okay, so these are the offices, as I mentioned, in 4 places we have. For us, nearer to us is Chennai only. Okay, individual what are the amounts anyway they are mentioned in the website also. I think within next 5 minutes I'll finish. Okay, I'll have to close. I understand. Next, what are the innovative topics in engineering? Okay, many things are there. I have more than 50 to 60 slides for now. I just rush through this. Okay, so that you will get some idea what can be done like. Okay, so grand challenges in engineering are solar energy. Okay, nitrogen cycle, how to manage it, health informatics, prevent nuclear terror. Okay, personalized learning in an advanced manner, and how to provide energy from fusion, provide access to clean water, engineer better medicines. Okay, you have to manufacture better medicines, how to do that. Okay, secure cyberspace, engineer the tools of scientific discovery, develop carbons in sequestration methods. Okay, restore and improve urban infrastructure, reverse engineer the brain, enhance virtual reality. These are all the topics. If you are interested in, take a screenshot of this and search any one of the topic wherever you want to do some conduct some literature survey, whatever is existing and what else can I do, you can go ahead with that. Okay, these are the major challenges in the next 50 years. We are going to face the we will have to address all these things: energy, water, food, environment, poverty, terrorism and war, disease, education, democracy, population. So all these, the characteristics are always complex, challenging, global, beyond soil, beyond silos, and interconnected. We all know that, but this is very very important, where we will have to still address them. All none of them are solved yet, right? So still we have to address them. You can always think of alternative suggestions. You may take up any of the societal applications. Okay, so what is required is innovation is required. Okay, determination is required. See, here this particular person said, Muhammad Ali said, champions aren't made by gyms. They are made in they are not made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, which is called a desire, a dream, a vision inside them. That is what is making them defeat the other person, right? So innovation is important, at the same time determination to complete it, to finish it, to solve it, to resolve it, that is important again. Okay, principal areas of research could be different things are there. I tell you, don't stick on to one particular electronics or one particular communication, not like that. These days the very very important research is going on in multidisciplinary. Okay, you join with one chemical engineer, you join with one mechanical person, you join with, see the vehicles now, automated vehicles, everything is electronic. My student is working in Bosch, who finished BTech in 10 years ago. He is none of the vehicle parts are now related to mechanical. Mostly in electrical vehicles, none of them, almost 20% only now mechanical, 80% is electronics only. Okay, so try to join with the multidisciplinary people and conduct research in different things. Okay, join with computer science people, join with for artificial intelligence and machine learning applications, join with some other people to know about IoT applications, join with some other mechanical people to have automated systems. Okay, join with civil people also. No, nothing wrong wherever you can join with electrical or mechanical or instrumentation people. Okay, you can have you can come up with different ideas. You will come to know what is the need there, then you can provide some solutions. Because of the automated things that we have, that we can provide with our electronics, you can always have the possibility that you can provide automated solutions. You always program and you can provide the solution. So if such input is coming, how to do that? If this type of input is coming, what should be the output? How to control the output with the controller? Because everything can be programmed with our designs in electronics and communication. You can make use of such things. Okay, so in nano electronics, what are the applications? Okay, so though the material cells are very lightweight, but it is stronger than steel. Okay, you know the properties of nanomaterials, right? So such how to develop such materials, and such materials are already existing. How to use them in different applications, you can just explore. Okay, just explore. So we have different applications of multifunctional SPM. Okay, and this is about many things being adhered, means combined. Okay, mechanical, electric, magnetic, optical, processing, combining many things. Okay, so in chemistry also you have theory, experiment, computation, all these things. How to join all of them? Nanotechnology in building and construction, how to use it? Okay, cement and concrete, carbon nanotubes, this is completely from electronic side only. Okay, so all these you can explore wherever you are interested in. You can just put your brain, think differently, as I mentioned, out of box. Okay, you get the research motivation. Okay, from waste. See, the waste, from waste, this semester we have one particular subject also, how to use this waste. Okay, how to use the waste as a resource. Okay, and you can come up with solutions for all these problems, right? So I'll conclude. Okay, I'll conclude. The important thing is not to stop questioning, not to stop research is the problem. see, you should not stop research. Okay, you should not stop questioning. You continue ask questioning. If you question yourself, if you are able to answer, means okay. If for some questions you are not able to answer, discuss with your friends. They are not able to answer, ask your teachers. They are also to some extent they can answer. Still explore, because as I said, Google Scholar is there, Siteseer is there, and SCA papers are there. You can just explore and do the work. Teamwork is always good. You always join with a group of people, you will get so much of enthusiasm. But make sure all of you are working in coordinates, right? So coordination is not missing, means this will happen as you see in the picture, right? You thought something else and those people thought something else. Okay, you turned to the east and you said right side. Somebody else turned to the west and said right side. Okay, so those two are two different. Okay, now the final thing is, final point is, don't say I won't do it, and never say I can't do it. Start with I want to do it. Okay, how do I do it? You think I'll try to do it, you start, and you say I can do it and start doing work. You will finally do it, right? So thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I request Kirtina to give vote of thanks to ma'am.
Ma'am, where to stop sharing?
There only, ma'am. Arrow mark is there, na? There only you can stop.
This where is it?
Just a minute.
Okay, I came back.
Yes. Kirtana. But anyway, ma'am, from my side, really it is a wonderful session, ma'am. I have attended many patent right webinars, but I have really learned many things from this session. From
Thank
the
you so
bottom of
much.
my heart, really, I am telling this.
Okay.
Very, it is like sweet and short. You have given straightforward report about this patent filing and patents, ma'am. Really wonderful. I am very
Thank you,
much
ma'am.
thankful.
Actually, I wanted to share some other drafts also. I saw time is already out of time. We already crossed the 12:30. Then I decided, let me complete this PPT. Otherwise, I have patent drafts with me which I wanted to share actually. I wanted to show that the diagrams, abstract, and description also. But anyway, next time we'll try to plan little longer session. I can do that.
Sure, ma'am. We will
Thank you so
definitely.
much, ma'am. Thank you for the feedback.
Thank you, sir. HOD sir, Yadav sir, would you like to say something? Kirtana, are you there, ma? If students, if anyone is having any kind of doubts, you can raise.
Yeah, please. Yeah, I missed putting that slide. If you have some questions, you can just raise.
Yeah. Anyway, ma'am, thank you very much for your wonderful session, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
You are welcome, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.